Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I just decided to film a week in the life during quarantine. So my day-to-day, getting ready for photo shoots, how I stay inspired for my at-home photo shoots, and everything in between. So let's just dive in and get started. So I'm currently in my bathroom. You may have seen on Instagram that Dave and I are redoing my bathroom. So we have this flamingo wallpaper that's happening now, and I'm super excited about it. I love flamingos. I'm about to do my hair. I started doing my makeup already a little bit. I'm wearing this fun dress from ASOS that's super comfortable and just kind of like my getting ready look. And then I've been setting up my new makeup cabinet. I also got a new makeup cabinet, so I've just been filling it up and getting everything organized and trying to get everything into place. So this is what we have so far. I still have a little bit of space up at the top, as you can see. I need to figure out what to put there, but it's coming along nicely, and I really love the makeup cabinet a lot. I got it at IKEA. So now I'm just gonna start getting ready. I already have some of my makeup on. I like to keep my makeup pretty natural, don't like to get too crazy. Always fill in my brows, obviously, and put on some foundation, but I'm just gonna touch up my hair a little bit. I just wanna get some like messy waves going on. And I use this little curling wand. It's from Remington, and I love that it gets skinnier at the top. It really makes like nice curls, and then I just kind of like shake them out, and they make for like a fun, messy wave situation. So now I just finished my hair and makeup. I know my hair looks a little poofy and crazy, but fun fact, my hair is actually naturally super straight, so I have to over curl it to make it stay, because in an hour it will probably be flat again. So I feel like wearing a dress today. Also, full disclosure, because of quarantine, I have not been able to do my seasonal clean out, so I feel like my dresses are just so overcrowded right now. And I cannot wait to take some things to sell. I usually sell things at Buffalo Exchange or on the Real, so just a little side note on that. But I feel like wearing a dress today. Not sure what to wear though. While I was in my closet trying to pick out a look, I actually remembered a package that I got yesterday from this brand called Double J, and I'm pretty sure that they sent me a dress. So I'm gonna open it and see if it's something that I could wear for today's shoot. So first of all, it came in this adorable bag. How cute is this? I'm always a sucker for cute packaging. And then this is the dress. It's so much fun, so me. I love the colors, and so I think I'm gonna actually wear this, and I think I'm gonna shoot it on my green couch. If you haven't seen, I have a bright green couch, so I'm gonna shoot it on my green couch. I think it would really look nice with all the colors, so let's get to it. So I just finished shooting. I shot in my living room in front of my green couch, which you can see there, and then also in front of my rainbow bookshelf, which you can see over there. And I shot with my tripod and my Canon Rebel, and I shot in this dress in case you didn't see it. Now I'm gonna go download the pictures onto my phone and edit them, so if you wanna check them out, you can head on over to my Instagram. This is my cat, Fitz. Fitzgerald is his full name, Fitz for short. I adopted him 8 months ago, so he's 8 months old. He's the cutest little baby. He's very, very adventurous and just loves sitting in the sunny spots each and every day. This is my other cat, Mia. She is 6 years old, and I rescued her 6 years ago when I was in college. She was actually living under my house, and one day she fell and got stuck in a little dirt hole, and I rescued her. She doesn't like the camera. just went to the grocery store to pick up a few quick things, wore my mask, of course. Dave wants to make burgers tonight, so I had to just pick up some rolls, got some fries. I've been wanting to try these out. I don't know how they are, so I got those. I've been making celery juice every morning when I wake up, so I got some more celery, and then just some classic Lay's potato chips. So I just wanted to check in with you guys. I am back in my bathroom. I feel like I might use this as the center place for my day in the life vlog, just because I am so proud of the way it's turning out and I absolutely love the wallpaper so much. But anyway, as you guys know, I spent this afternoon shooting. I also earlier this morning had a consulting call with one of my clients, which I obviously didn't record that, but just wanted to throw that in there. And then Dave just made dinner, so now I think we're just gonna chill and watch something this evening. Sometimes it's what I do. It's super hard to disconnect from my work because obviously I can be working 24/7 and shooting and filming and editing and all of that fun stuff. So being with Dave and everything, it's nice to kind of like disconnect and just watch something where I need to pay attention and just put my phone down. So we are having a difficult time though finding something to watch because I feel like I've gone through a lot of my good shows during quarantine. I just watched Hollywood on Netflix, which was amazing. If you have not watched it, I highly, highly suggest it. So check that out. But comment below any good quarantine shows I need to check out. So my hair looks a little crazy over here. So sorry about that. But yeah, that's it. I'll keep you posted what we decide to watch, and I will see you later. Hey guys, what's up? I am just in my bathroom once again, and I am getting ready for a little photo shoot that I am doing today. I've had this idea for a little bit of time now, but I've been putting it off, so I'm gonna finally do it today. I have these little silver stars, and I'm planning on creating some sort of fun eye look out of them. I'm definitely not the best when it comes to makeup, but I love fun, bold makeup looks, so I'm gonna try this out. Stay with me, let's see how it turns out. So these are the stars I'm using. Just got them at a craft store forever ago, and I've had them forever. Tweezers. This is not working very well. Might not happen. Can't win them all. That looks kind of cool. Can't move my face too much or they're gonna fall off. Okay, let me finish trying to do this. Let me change. I have an outfit picked out that I want to wear with this look, and let me set up my camera and I'll be back. So a little update. Got the stars to stay. Wanted to let you guys know though, I used lip gloss and it worked pretty well. So don't know how long they'll last, so I gotta jump in and start shooting. But wanted to let you guys in on one of my shooting secrets, and it's anytime that I'm shooting a beauty look, specifically something around eyes. These are my glasses. Obviously, as you guys know, I wear them every day. They are real, they're prescription glasses, but when I'm shooting an eye look, I wear these glasses. And they have the lenses popped out, so they're very similar to my glasses, but they have the lenses popped out because the problem with shooting with my glasses sometimes is that you get a glare over the eyes, and if I'm shooting an eye look like this one, you want to make sure that you can see everything that you just spent time doing. So that being said, these are my fake glasses that have the lenses popped out that I always wear when I'm shooting a beauty look. Yeah, so we're just gonna do some quick lipstick and then I'm gonna get started. trying to mix two shades because I want it to be like nude and pinky. So the two lip colors I mixed to make this look are this little lipstick that's just a Sephora brand lipstick, and the color just says 36. And then this is a Laura Mercier lip pencil velour extreme matte lipstick, but it's like this little pencil guy. And I kind of like it because it makes drawing on your lipstick a lot easier, and the color is called Bring It. So now I'm gonna dive in and get started shooting this because I feel like some of these are about to fall off, so let's go. So I just finished shooting this look. I think the pictures came out pretty good. The moment of truth is always once you download them onto your phone and take a look at them, but I'm excited to edit them and play around with them. But I just got my Starbucks from Uber Eats. Uber Eats has been hooking me up through all this. My go-to Starbucks drink is a venti unsweetened iced green tea. So what's your go-to Starbucks drink? Now that I finished that, I'm gonna download and edit them. I have to go write some things for making it in Manhattan, and I had a phone meeting before which I didn't film, and then I need to post some things. I need to film a TikTok because I just hit 20K on TikTok. I'm super excited about it, and I want to film a little fun video to celebrate 20K. So let's get to it.
But then he turned the little button and the car went boom. We like the cars that go boom. We're Tigra and Bunny and we like the boom. We like the cars.
Hey guys, as you saw, I did a little treadmill workout this morning, and then I just had to jump in the shower real quick and get ready because I am doing a lunchtime Instagram live with Mess Magazine. So I threw on this fun top. It's from H&M, and I'm getting ready for that now. Just trying to stay busy and stay positive and just keep. My name's Caroline. I work in fashion. I do a little bit of everything. So I'm an author.
At school?
Absolutely. Let me see what I can do.
Good.
Hi. I know this is totally last minute, but I was hoping that you could maybe get a flight for my boss from Miami to New York tonight.
So thanks so much for following along for a week in my life during quarantine. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, I'm trying to get more active here on YouTube, and this is my first ever week in a life vlog I did, so I hope you enjoyed it. I tried my best to film as much as I could, but I definitely caught myself at times, whether it was after a photo shoot or after a meeting or something, realizing that I forgot to film. So bear with me as I do more weeks in the life. I will try my best to get better and show as much as I can. But in the meantime, if you have any recommendations or suggestions for future videos, just leave me a comment below, and I will see you next week for another fun video.